Hey guys, it's Blitz, welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you why I use Animoji on my face and how to use Animoji on your face as well. So let's get right into it. So let me first start about why I use Animoji on my face. I got some privacy things. I don't want my face to be shown on YouTube. So I thought of a way to distinguish myself. And I've thought about it a long time, and finally this came up in my mind. Why can't I just use an emoji? I'm sure there are a lot of people just like me, very careful online about what they show people, and well, I'm one of those. Okay, so to start off, you need to go to your messages app. It's berichten in my language, but it's called messages in yours. Probably, or something else, I don't know where you're from. Then in the upper right corner, there is a blue button which says new. Okay, so you press that and you just type in your own name. I'm blurring up my own name, I'm sorry. I'm pressing my blue name. And you see I've already sent some things to myself and a cute emoji sticker. I just love that box. And now you go to the bottom left, above your keyboard, and there's a camera icon. If you press that camera icon, a little menu will show up. Okay, so I'm showing you right now what I see. That's me. The little fox. Okay, so what you do is you go to video, and then you turn around your camera. I'm just gonna not show my face. So you show your camera. You press the little star icon in the bottom left, and then you press the first thing that's shown in this row of icons. It's the monkey. And you'll be prompted with a long row of all kinds of different emojis. You can use all sorts of different emojis. You can also use Memojis here. And so I'm just gonna use the fox Memoji because that's me. And just press record now. So it's recording. Just do your thing. I'm gonna wave in the other cam, so. Okay, say you're done with your message, you just press stop. You're prompted with this little screen, and you don't have to send it directly. So don't press the blue button. Just press continue, or whatever it says, just in the yellow text in the upper right corner. It says gereed in my language. It will create a film for you and will be in your thing. That's when you know it's automatically in your photo section. So that's basically it. It's very simple and I'm in love with this technique. So I hope you all know now how to use Animoji like I do in videos. Thank you for watching to this non-furry video. It's been very short, I know, I'm lacking time, but that's okay. If you want to and you're new to my channel, you can check out my other content. It's furry only. I mean, not everyone likes it, so if you don't like it, feel free to not check it out. If you like it, feel free to check it out. Okay, so as you see, Animojis are freaking amazing. And I will see you guys, maybe never, or maybe in the next video. So goodbye!